Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.14 and $2.15 by 2030. Market investigators accept ALGO could reach 88 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 20 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital currency has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money foundation. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has consequently lost most of these additions, investigators and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement method called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Algorand central examination. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the primary day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed continuously. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the enormous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely figure the breakdown of the value of ALGO's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO by means of private position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early sponsor had presented the drive to exorbitant dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a great many dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unsurpassed post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63, notwithstanding Algorand having recently delivered a redesign that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand current cost. Algorand is at present worth 25 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $112,538,908. Algorand is at present position 36 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,798,711,885 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ALGO cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 37 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 35 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 30 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 63 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 50 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 55 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 88 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 80 cents and a low of 75 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Algorand effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.14, with a base cost of $1.01 and a typical cost of $1.06. Algorand Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.32 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.26 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of $1.39. Algorand Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.57. On the off chance that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.64. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.52. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $1.07.